3,
Welcome
2,
to Samyak Play Review. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going hiking with our bikes for a picnic.
Wow, that will be fun. Let's go. Sonic is gearing up for his hiking with the bike. Here we go. And there he is already hitting the road. Turn right, please. And we have a nice little trail here. And Sonic is climbing, already starting to climb up. He's doing great. It's a nice little bike trail. And this leads to us a little hike. This is gonna be fun. He's going fast. I need to get him. Back. Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Having fun. He's doing great. Sonic is doing great. He came up a hill pretty easy. Stop sign. Stop please. Yeah, okay, let's go. And oh, he has a bell in his bike. And we're going down a little nice small hill here. And here we have a little playground. Woo! And Mama is there. Mama got down for the hill. Let's see if Sami can go up the hill by himself. Yeah, his gearbox is not working. Box is not working great in his bike today, so he had to come down to climb up this little hill. He's going up, and again, this is not a smooth hill, so you got to be careful here. Yeah, you got it. Let's go. Oops. There he's coming good.
Coming, watch out.
Hey! Stop! Wow, that's a good break. You doing okay?
Yeah.
Not tired yet?
No.
No. Mama is way back over there. She's coming. She's coming fast. Alright. You need a break?
I want water.
Want water break?
Yeah.
Over there. Here he goes fast again. I need to catch him. Woo! He's really good at biking these days. Play around with his gear, and his legs are powerful. See, he's going up the hill pretty easy. Easy peasy. Yeah? Oh, I almost went to the buses. We shall stop, look and go. Alright, we are hitting the side of the road, so I need to stop this videoing for a few minutes until we hit the trail again. We are back in a little trail, and we can see the glimpse of our hiking hill today. Over there, I guess. Yeah. Mama has already found a parking spot. She's just parking by the rock. Sonic is going to park back here, and we are just going uphill here. It is just a little small hiking, like maybe 15 or 20 minutes. We start our hiking up. Samik, you all good?
Yeah.
Yeah, where are we going? We're going on top of this hill, and It's not a huge hill, but it will still take a few minutes. Alright, I'm off for now until we reach the top. A little bushy here today.
Okay, so how do we go down?
It's quite bushy here, so Samyak is trying to go through the bushes. He's doing great though. Are you okay? Oh, something got stuck behind his pants. Yeah. Keep going, keep moving. Yeah, he's making his own way. He's doing good. Hey, Samyak, can you have a look? Are you doing okay?
Yeah.
Do you want your glasses? Alright, after about 15 minutes, we are almost top. Mama is already there. She's already on top of him. Samyak, you're almost there. Keep going, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I think I'm gonna make it too. I'm gonna make it too. Whoa. This is good. This hill is not well managed today though. Let's not go over here. There was a picnic table here before. Right? But here's a beautiful view of the city. Oh, we are not gonna picnic here. Maybe we'll go to that pond. Do you remember? Yeah.
Now we're going to picnic in the pond.
Yeah, there's a beautiful pond. After we go down this hill and bike for about 10 minutes?
Not 10.
15? How more?
Maybe 12.
12 minutes? Okay, yeah.
We are going down the mountain.
Down the mountain?
In the pond.
Picnic to the pond?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, over there is kind of heavy actually, but can't swim it enough. But this top of the hill is not well maintained this time, so we could not move beyond this point. It's too bushy, and Samyak has already a few scratches in his leg, and I did too, so we're gonna stop here, and Samyak is ready to go down the hill to the picnic spot. Let's go! Samyak is taking his steps carefully down the hill. Yeah, raise your legs high. Yeah, good. It's like you need to go marching. Ants go marching day by day. Do you remember that song? Oops. Somebody is stuck somewhere or what? Oh, Mama is getting lost in the bushes. Yeah, down the hill, and we are up to our bike again. So from here we're gonna take our bike for another, as Samyak says, it will take 12 minutes to our picnic spot, and there we have a little beautiful pond.
Dry.
Samyak, do you have anything to say? You ready for a bike again?
Yeah, it's fun.
You're having fun?
Fun.
Yeah? Okay. Alright. Yeah, Samyak is again ready for the bike. Woo! Finally we found an open parking space here, and Samyak is making few rounds around this parking spot. Hi!
Bye.
I'm gonna catch you. Woo, he's going fast. It's not easy to catch his bike. He's very fast. And he's doing that, although his gear is giving him some trouble today. But he's making it work somehow. I don't know. Are you doing okay with your gear shifting?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. on this side. Let me see. Whoops!
Bike is fun if you have a bike, ride it.
Yeah, and it's healthy, right?
Yeah.
It's healthy and it's so much fun.
Now we're going to go picnic in the lake.
All right, we are heading towards the lake. Not a lake, that's just a little pond, I guess. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the little fishies.
Oh, there are fishes too?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm excited to see some fishes and we'll picnic with them.
Yeah.
Picnic with fishes. Let's go. All right, we are back again. Going uphill a little bit to reach our picnic spot. And Samyak is going already up the hill. Go up, yeah, yeah. Turn left. We're going left. Spot turn on the road. Okay, there we go again. Oops, I made it. Samyak is leading the road now. Yeah. Oops. He's going up. Oh, still we have a little more to climb up. You're doing okay, Samyak? You're doing great. Yeah, you're almost there. Keep going. Now I think this is the final hill. Race again. Samyak is leading the race. Oh, we're almost there. On the top of the hill. I can already see the spot. Oh, there we are. There we are. This is the way. This is what we are talking about. Whoa, whoa. This is spectacular spot here. We have a little beautiful pond. And it's really quiet. All you can hear is birds, and it's a nice little stop area on top of the hill. And so basically we went hiking on top of that hill, and then we came down, and then we took another small hill to reach our spot here. Samyak is parking right now. Alright, you did it, buddy. Awesome. You can take off your helmet for now and enjoy some fresh air. And it's a little teeny mini pond, but as you guys can hear, birds chirping here is very soothing. Samyak already spotted few fishes here. I don't know if I can zoom them in. Oh, can you see, guys? There are some over there. Oh, there's one big one going there. Yay! There she is. Can you see, Samyak?
I just saw. Oh yeah, I can.
Yeah,
I see a little one.
Yeah.
Like a little fishing one.
Yeah.
Like the orange.
Let us find
the
out
orange
if there are
thing.
more.
Oh, I see one right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
It's this one in the cave. It was just right there.
Oh, I can see a very teeny mini
Oh
one.
yeah, there's one right there.
See, it's small.
I see one.
Yeah. Yeah. And Samyak is here, zoomed in. Whoa! You are big. Hi.
Hi.
Okay. Here, Samyak having rest now, and here is our little picnic bag for today. Samyak's little Avenger bag, and I don't know what he has in his picnic bag today. He's the one who packed the picnic bag for this trip, so I don't know what he has in his bags. Let us see. Oh, the first thing he has is his little cute fan. He has a Tropicana. That's good stuff. What else? Oh, I think he has little cashew nuts. He has some, what is this?
Cookie.
A hide and seek cookie biscuit. And what else you have? There are picnic cup, picnic plates. Oh, you did pretty well packing that bag. Oh, you got some fruits too. Some apples. That's nice. Perfect. And a special apple juice. Here's a special apple juice. That's all we have for the picnic today. And I think Mama's gonna always sanitize before you sanitize your hands before you touch food stuff. Samyak is now enjoying his picnic.
Now, after our singing dance,
Hi. Now we are going to
Eating
go back home, and then I'm going to jump on the trampoline. I'm going to show you. We're going to do a little game.
The trampoline?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys. So Samyak is heading back home. We are heading back home. It's already about 7 p.m. so we need to reach home in time. Let's go. So now going back would be easier because we will be going downhill most of the time. Okay, but be careful about your brakes, okay? We are going to downhill. Yeah. So this is gonna be easy ride back home. Wee, wee. Okay. Don't need to look back. Watch the road. Yeah. Right. Mama is already leading the road. No, you don't need to rest. Let's go slow. Don't need to rest. Don't need to race. Let's go slowly. Oh!